This initial solution will show you how to view Outlook, Yahoo, Hotmail or AOL email in Gmail. So first of all, open your Gmail and click on Settings. Click on See All Settings. Here, click on Accounts and Import. And you will get this section here, Check Mail from Other Accounts section. So you have to click on Add a Mail Account. Now all you have to need, just enter here your Yahoo Mail account, Yahoo email address or Outlook email address or AOL email address and click on Next. And select here Link Accounts with Gmailify and click on Next. Now you have to log in into your Yahoo account using your Yahoo account username and password. Once you connected, you will be able to see your others account emails from your Gmail. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.